yung pinakahihintay nating araw na mas every time na nagdadala tayo ng mga new guests and partners, mas ma-feel yung komportable sila sa ating hub, right?
So finally, we've been waiting for this lounge to open. It has good air conditioning, fast-speed Wi-Fi, and very comfortable seats.
Miss Dayan Trinidad!
Again, today po, no, ito yung parang pinaka-day one. Okay? Day one po nating lahat, di ba? Nandito kami yung mga partners, executive, senior partners po ninyo, no, para mag-support po talaga sa lahat. So with that po, thank you so much.
Reuben Acevedo!
It started January 2025, so bago lang. Just try to imagine, in a matter of 5 months, we grew up to 2,000 partners more or less. So para siyang nagta-times 2. Ganun kabilis. Mind you guys, your guys are so lucky and fortunate. Why? Because this is the first in the industry that has this kind of program.
Ako, personal ang may experience ko, I cannot tap talaga yung mga market, hindi ko sila ma-reach, hindi ko sila makuha. But now, during our presentation, especially po the program po na na-present ngayon,
so ang ganda po ng project na to, ang ganda po ng program na ginawa po natin. Talagang tinatag po namin yan. Ngayon po, sabi nga po ng aking God mentor, opensa na tayo. Nandun na po tayo sa stage na talagang i-share natin, papalawakin po natin yung club. So congratulations sa inyo lahat!
Wala na makakapigil po sa atin. Dire-diretso na po ang Premier Lifestyle Club. Kaya nga sabi ko, so Product Expo naman tayo May 31. Paiba-iba po yung ating event every Saturday. But every Saturday, may business preview, may presentation pa rin siya every day. But the theme is nag-iiba-iba.
Hi, I'm Joan Araya, currently working at BPO industry. We just finished the training today, and expecting in here is to become a business expert and also to earn unlimited cash flow.
Good day everyone. I am Abigail Galupo, a secondary teacher, and I just signed up today. I just started a printing business, and my goal in joining PLC is to expand my connection and network.
Hi, I am Dennis Sebastian. I used to be a marketing professor at De La Salle University, but right now I'm an entrepreneur and we're in real estate. I just joined PLC and I'm so happy and so pleased for this very, very promising opportunity to grow more my business here. Ang dami talagang makikilala ng mga tao na same mindset na gusto rin lumaki ang kanilang negosyo. So, come, join PLC.
Hi guys, this is Doc CJ Carmen. I'm a doctor by profession. Grabe kasi bakit? Napakaganda ng aming Premier Lifestyle Club. Sa magandang part, lumalawak yung connections namin. Yung mga hindi ko matap before, ngayon natatap ko na. So, what are you waiting for? Go for PLC.
Hi PLCs! Alright, so now open na po yung lounge natin. So again, I invite everybody, dito tayo every day. We have presentations every day. 6:30 PM po, Mondays to Saturdays. It will be actually live, okay, face-to-face as well sa Zoom natin. And we prepare a lot of events every Saturday starting from 5 o'clock in the afternoon hanggang 7 o'clock ng gabi. Kaya sama-sama po tayo, alright, dito sa PLC lounge natin. Alright, so see you next Saturday.
Welcome to Premier Lifestyle!